Welcome! If you're looking to cut down on those constant sticker response notifications on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to turn off sticker response notifications so you can enjoy a quieter, more focused Instagram experience. Let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app on your device and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're on your profile page, look to the top right corner for the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu. Give that a tap to open up the side menu. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage everything related to your Instagram account. Now, scroll down until you find the Notifications option and tap on it. This section controls all the different notifications Instagram sends you, from likes and comments to direct messages and, of course, sticker responses. Next, tap on Posts, Stories, and Comments. This is where you'll find all the notification settings related to your activity and interactions on Instagram. Scroll down until you see Sticker Responses. This is the specific setting that controls whether or not you get notified when someone responds to your stickers in stories. To turn off sticker response notifications, simply select the Off option. That's it. You won't receive any more notifications when someone responds to your stickers, letting you focus on what matters most to you. And there you have it. No more interruptions from sticker response notifications. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back to these settings and turn notifications back on. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.